Hi guys, Motologger series here. I am going to meet my friend Sudesh who is waiting for me at Sarovli Naka, and it's Harley Street 750. He is not with me. I guess it's Screaming Eagle exhaust. I'm not sure. Okay, my friend Sudesh is meeting me at Sarovli Naka. Then we are going to meet another friend Kunal who is working at Regent Honda workshop. We also want to meet him. And yeah, nice acceleration, man. Street 750. My friend Sudesh installed a nice exhaust system on his motorcycle, Yamaha R15. It is a ProLiner exhaust. So yeah, see ya, man. Yeah, so I want to make a blog about it. The guy on R15 is my friend Sudesh. Yeah, this kind of road on the classic. I really want Himalayan or Mahindra Mojo for this kind of road. But this road on Bullet, it is able enough to flick up your candy ass. Actually, I am the Rocks fan, so. Okay, this is the Regent Honda where I want to meet my friend. The bike you can see here is Yamaha YZF R15 Special Edition. Of course, V2. This is extremely aggressive looking and sounding ProLiner exhaust. It is imported from Indonesia and it is fitted and mounted really very well. I'll show you the exhaust note in some time. This is double wobble windshield from Hero Accessories. This is also imported from Indonesia. It reduces the wind blast and it feels like this is 2008 R6, not a R15 from front. And even if you go a little further modification, if you go for projector LEDs with angel eyes, this will look like 2006 R1. You can identify this is R15 easily by looking at wheels and tires and brakes, but it really improves the look a bit high. So look how it feels on the road. Loud, very loud, louder than my 500cc classic. Very loud. And so here I need to say goodbye to my friend. And what I'm spotting right now is the new Royal Enfield Himalayan. I already reviewed it in my last video. अपना एरिया। और इसमें एक वेरी गुड मर्सिडीज बेंज A200 A180 है सॉरी। Entering in style. Okay, that's it for the day. See you in my next video.